Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete your browsing history for the last hour on Google Chrome using your PC. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and keep your browsing experience clean. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, locate and open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. You can find it in your applications or by searching for it in your Start menu. Step 2. Access the menu. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to History. In the drop-down menu, hover over the option labeled History. A submenu will appear. Click on History again from this submenu. This action will take you to a new tab displaying your browsing history. Step 4. Clear browsing data. On the left side of this new tab, you will see an option that says Clear browsing data. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Select Browsing History. A pop-up window will appear with various options for what data you want to delete. Make sure to check the box next to Browsing History. This ensures that only your browsing history will be removed. Step 6. Set the time range now. Look for a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click on this menu and select Last Hour. This setting will allow you to delete only the data from the past hour. Step 7. Delete data. Finally, after selecting your options, click on the button that says Clear Data at the bottom of the pop-up window. This action will delete all browsing history from the last hour. By following these simple steps, you can effectively clear your browsing history in Google Chrome for the last hour. Keeping your browsing data private is essential, and this quick process helps maintain a clean and efficient browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.